Casio watches, in most cases, don't get way too expensive to ensure quality. Even the cheapest models come with a very good amount of shock resistance, waterproof ratings, and jam-packed with many other features. You would still find some Casio watches that were introduced decades earlier, and yet can be considered a perfect gift or a fruitful timepiece for yourself. So if you're looking for a Casio watch on a budget, here's our list of the top 5 best Casio Gshock watches under $50 that you shouldn't miss out on. First introduced in 1983, the Casio DW5600E is one of the most imitated digital watches ever made, and also the simplest and most budget-friendly entries into the extensive Gshock line. Providing a delicate combination of functionality and affordability, the Casio DW5600E1V is a black resin sports watch that's incredibly shock-resistant while offering a comfortable resin strap with a multifunctional rectangular dial. With its quartz digital movement and accuracy of plus or minus 15 seconds per month, this watch ensures that you are always measuring time accurately. The top left button is designed to be pushed in further to prevent accidental adjusting of settings, while including multiple functions such as a multi-function alarm, 100-second stopwatch, countdown timer, hourly time signal, auto calendar, and 12 and 24-hour formats. Water resistant up to 660 feet, this watch is suitable for recreational scuba diving, making the Casio DW5600E1V a great pick for a budget-friendly Casio watch. Up next, the sleek and versatile AE1200WHD1A from Casio is the perfect affordable watch for anyone who prefers the on-the-go lifestyle. With 100 meters of water resistance, 31 different time zones, and a world time city swapping feature, this watch is the ideal travel companion. The 100-second stopwatch and countdown timer make it easy to keep track of your activities, while the 5 daily alarms and hourly time signal keep you on schedule. The auto calendar goes all the way up until the year 2099, so you'll never have to worry about adjusting for leap years. And with the added bonus of an LED light with selectable illumination duration and afterglow, this watch has it all while being on a budget. Looking for a stylish yet affordable watch that brings back retro vibes? Look no further than the Casio A171WE1A. This classic round timepiece boasts a vintage look that never goes out of style, and comes in your choice of one tone color. With a slide clasp, you can easily adjust the band length for a perfect fit, and the water-resistant design ensures durability. Stay on top of your schedule with a built-in calendar, stopwatch, and LED light, which makes it easy to read the time in any lighting. Plus, with a variety of band options including standard link and fashionable mesh in gold, you can customize your look to suit your style. All of this comes at an affordable price of under $50, making the Casio A171WE1A a must-have for any watch lover. For an affordable watch that combines functionality and practicality, look no further than the Casio A168W1. With a simple metal design that's easy to coordinate with any outfit, this watch is perfect for everyday wear. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This watch is infused with modern technology to deliver accuracy and precision in style. The 100-second stopwatch function can measure elapsed, split, and final times with incredible accuracy, while the electroluminescent backlight makes it easy to read the time in any lighting. Plus, with a long-lasting battery function and an alarm to keep you on schedule, the Casio A168W1 is the perfect combination of style and functionality, all at an affordable price of under $50. And finally, as an iconic watch and a prime example of standing the test of time, we have the Casio F91W. Virtually unchanged since 1989, this 35mm resin watch is packed with features and charm. With a daily alarm, calendar, backlight, chronograph, and 7 years of unmatched battery life, this watch is as useful as it is stylish. Its built-in LED light ensures easy readability, even in the darkest of conditions. In fact, it's so popular that Casio reportedly produced 3 million units of this watch in 2011 alone. And the best part? You can generally find this timeless classic for as little as $50. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of history. The Casio F91W is the perfect combination of functionality, durability, and affordability. So those were our picks on the top 5 best Casio G-Shock watches under $50. Do let us know which one of these watches caught your attention, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.